Hi guys, I'm here with my newest Mother Goose Time box. This is for October and it is Orchard Harvest. If you don't know, I used to do this a lot and I took off for about a year because we were moving and had a lot going on, and now I'm doing it again with the girls. And so I have a kit for 2 kids. And if you don't know what Mother Goose Time is, it's a homeschooling kit that comes straight to your door, and it's full of a month's worth of curriculum and plans and supplies. So let's see what's inside this box. This is your teacher tool bag. So each month you'll get a teacher tool bag, and inside are things you'll use all month long. Now the neat thing about something they've changed with Mother Goose Time is each week now has its own lesson plan book. So for week 1, or lessons 1 through 5, so week 1, it says tree life cycle, and so inside you'll find your week broken down. And it'll give you a theme web of the things you're going to be learning or teaching. And then it shows you the things you're going to learn that week and the projects you're going to be doing. And then each day, it really breaks down each thing you can be doing and how to do it, or ways to adapt it, or extra things you can do with it, like book suggestions. And so this month it looks like you're going to learn tree life cycles, then fruit trees, then animals in the orchard, and skins and shells. And then in your teacher tool bag it gives you a summary of skill assessments. It gives you a gathering list of extra things that you may need that's not included, like seeds, paper plates, a microwave, just random little things that pretty much everyone has. And then a new cool thing this year is you get these letter cards, and in it has all your new letters you're learning that month, and it has the letters for your cue cards and the images, but also it comes with these, which you break out the little pieces, and then the kids learn to make the letters from the shapes. So it's really neat. They really liked doing that. We didn't have that last year, so they really liked that. We also have an activity calendar. These are all things I hang on the back of my bulletin board. The theme web, which shows all the things you're going to learn about. This is your skill chart where you can see all the skills and what they're doing. And then some popsicle sticks and your CD. And the cool thing about the CDs this year is they give you a way to listen to the music online, which is really nice because I just saved the link to my phone or my iPad, and we just do that because right now we're in between our houses, and so we don't have a CD player, so it works out really well. So now I'm going to go through the days so you can see what comes in them. So this is lesson 1, and it's seeds, and you can see inside it comes with seeds and plates, and then it comes with all of your lessons and plans you'll be doing. Lesson 2 is roots, and in this one You can see the My Little Journals. And this is something you get each month. And you get one for each child. And each month there's different themes, and it'll tell you, like, draw what you see in trees, or it'll give you things to suggest. And then it'll give you the letters at the bottom, new colors, new shapes, which is red and square. And it's a really neat way to get the kids involved and have a way to log what they're learning and see it. Lesson 3 is trunks, and this bag is very heavy. Inside you have your manipulatives, which I have so many different ones saved, which is awesome because I just break it out and the girls will play with them. So these are shape links. There's different colors and different shapes. This is a great way to be like, okay, put all the squares together, or put all the red pieces together, or find all the triangles and make them in a line. And also it helps their skills of learning to put them together and take them apart. And there is also Forest Friends book. So each month now you get 2 books included. You get your monthly storybook, and then you get the Forest Friends, which the Forest Friends teach you like a feeling, or learning how to be friends, things like that. Lesson 4 is branches. Lesson 5 is leaves. And you can see there's beads in there. Lesson 6 is apples. So in here is your monthly book. And this is called Johnny. So I'm guessing it's like Johnny Appleseed. And I love these books because they're very sturdy. They're not like little paper plastic books or paper books. They're very sturdy. They're very brightly illustrated. And the kids just really like reading them. Johnny loved apples. He ate apples for breakfast. He ate apples for lunch. And then they're just good for the kids to enjoy. And they teach them a lesson. Lesson 7 is cherries, and there's an actual bag of popcorn in here, so I wonder what we're going to do with that. That's neat. And then your color card is in here. So now you get a little crayon that breaks out, and you can put it on your board. And last month was blue. Well, this month, September, was blue, so October's going to be red. Lesson 8 is lemons. And this, I really didn't use a whole lot before, I'll admit. But now that Bella's old enough, I use it a lot, and it's really awesome. It's called I Can Read book. And this one's a paper book, but it's easier for the girls to play with and touch. And these teach the kids to recognize words and letters. So you get your book, and with it you get arrows, and you break these out, and you give it to the kids to hold. And when they see a word they recognize, they hold it up while you're reading. And it's just really neat to see Bella be able to connect the words and the letters, and I think it's a great tool to help them learn to read. Now Bella's only 4, so I think it's a great head start. This one is oranges. So it looks like you're going to learn to mix paint. Lesson 10 is plums, which this is another one of my favorite things for Mother Goose Time, is the monthly puzzles. The puzzles normally go with the story theme. So this is the Johnny Appleseed. And these are very sturdy. I've had mine from the last 3 years. I have them all still. The girls love the puzzles. They've really started working together and putting them together. It's awesome to see them problem solve and talk about it. Lesson 11 is porcupine. It looks like they're going to make little porcupines because there's some toothpicks in there. Lesson 12 is birds. So here's another neat thing they started. These are magnet pieces that go to the story. And what I do is I bring in a cookie sheet, and these are magnets. They break out. They're just little magnet pieces. And as I'm reading the story, they act out the pieces with the story. It's a fun way to get them involved, and also they like magnets and going through the house and seeing, is this metal? Will this stick? Just little different things you can teach them constantly. This is lesson 13, bugs. It looks like they're going to do some sort of activity. 14, raccoons. Looks like they're going to make little raccoon masks. That'll be fun. Lesson 15 is squirrels. It looks like we're going to make a board game with a make and play. Lesson 16 is walnuts. Got some cups in there, lots of papers. And I like this, they put in a little reminder, like, hey, you're getting towards the end of your lesson, you should order again soon. Lesson 17 is chestnuts. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know that's what chestnuts look like, so I learned stuff too. So it looks like they're gonna make, to me it looks like a pear, but I don't know. If it's a chestnut, I'm sorry, I don't know what chestnuts look like. Avocado. Looks like there's little bouncy balls in here. That would be neat. Lesson 19 is bananas. Looks like we're going to make some bananas. And lesson 20 is peaches. And this is for my portfolio. This is something that you can do as a teacher or a parent too. You can make them a portfolio and save their things. So you can see how much they progress throughout the year or years. And I was a paying customer with Mother Goose Time for quite a while, and then they asked me to become a blogger, so I did receive this box for free in return for my honest opinions and feedback, which of course you know I love Mother Goose Time and I love doing all this with the girls. I mean, look at all this stuff. Like, it's so awesome. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And if you're thinking about doing it with your kids, just shoot me a message and I can help answer any questions. You can spread it out between months if you don't think you'll finish it in time. It's something good you can take anywhere. Honestly, you can take it anywhere. I travel constantly. I don't even have a steady home right now because we're building and we're living with my parents. So it is something you can do anywhere. As long as you have 30 minutes, you can do this with your kids. You can read the stories, do a puzzle, and do a project. It's something that can really bring you together and help your kids learn. So I really think it's something great, even if you just want to try a box and it's something you guys save and do when you have the time on weekends. It's something for the whole family to be involved, and I think it's something you'd really enjoy.